This is Sheldon Broyles, and there's Kenny Keller, and there's Noah Massey.
Let's go.
Up in his eye. Yes, Liz. Ooh! Get stuffed. Stuffy. Ken, there's a thing called rebounds.
Yeah.
No.
There's this thing called shut your butthole.
You're so harsh. Gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, dirty bunghole that you got over there. Need to clean it out.
Shut up.
Exactly. Shut up, man. I've got this on video. That shot from like right there, all the way over there. I don't think I got that zone.
Wow, it's like the same exact thing.
Yeah, Kenny. You're not supposed to say that. Stupid. Because you had to delete that other video.